But really at the heart of this case that was before this judge, it was about whether or not the federal government was involved in Alligator Alcatraz. Because if the federal government's involved, then what they needed to do before constructing this facility was assess environmental impacts for that area. That's what you have to do according to a law, a federal law that requires agencies to assess those environmental impacts for major federal projects. The lawyers for the state were arguing the facility was a state project, didn't have anything to do with the federal government. Well, I said from day one when this lawsuit was filed and this was the issue, that's going to be a tough case to make because, first of all, you've got the governor saying the federal government's going to reimburse us for the costs for this facility. You also have ICE standards being put in place and just immigration enforcement's a federal responsibility. So saying this is just a state function, that was going to be a tough one to make. I don't care if this is an Obama appointee or somebody else. I thought the state was going to have a hard time winning this case. And the judge basically said, if it walks like a duck, it's a duck. This is a facility that has some federal responsibility tied into it. And it went up so fast, it didn't follow that federal law.